Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can access OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in my desktop and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go ahead and click on the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on open, and then you're going to be right here in this page. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find home, gallery, OneDrive, and so on. Go to OneDrive, right click on it, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the options related to OneDrive. Here you're going to find copy, expand, and so on. Here you're going to find always keep on the device, free up space, and here you're going to find OneDrive. If you click on OneDrive, here you're going to find view online, you're going to find settings, and right here you're going to find folder color. So right now, click on view online, and this will take you to this page on the web. Right here, you're going to find all of your uploaded files and folders on OneDrive. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find my files, recent, photos, shared, and right here, you're going to find your recycle bin. You can also click on add new right here if you want to upload or, for example, put a video, a photo on OneDrive. Here you're going to find files upload, folder upload, and so on. If you want to upload something, just click on files upload, for example, and then go to the file you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload a photo, for example, this one. Double click on it, and then it will be uploading. As you can see, guys, now the photo is uploaded. If you want to access your OneDrive settings, first of all, go ahead and right click again on this place. Then go to OneDrive, and then here you're going to find your settings. Here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your sync and backup settings, and also you can link or unlink this PC from your OneDrive account. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.